Sorry. This is a child, by the way, who hasn't seen his father. He's only 2 months old. Hasn't seen a father who's been detained for 5 months. This guy deserves to have his father back, and we can see his distress too. And we shouldn't live in a country where anything under a democratic society is done in secrecy. Even if it is true that these men committed these offenses, they have a right to be given an open, transparent, and fair trial in an open courtroom. You must therefore allow their families to visit with them and allow lawyers to prepare for their trial. That is how it is done all over the world. An allegation of a coup plot does not translate to guilt. That's our position. And we have done this in the past, and we are very sure that a transparent and open trial might reveal otherwise.
We are not asking for favors or shortcuts. We are asking for our constitutional rights, the truth, and the safe return of our dear husbands. If there is evidence, bring them before court of law. If there is none, let them go free, please. We appeal to the president to do what is just, allow the truth to be seen. We also appeal to the Nigerian military to remember its oath and its humanity. History and prosperity will remember the decision taken at this moment. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We stand before you as families, wives, mothers, relatives, whose husbands and support. For more than 5 months, our family have lived with uncertainty, fear, and unanswered questions. Today, we are here for one simple reason: to ask the justice to be done openly in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. These past months have been deeply painful for our families. We have watched helplessly as narratives are presented to the public, subjecting our husbands to trial by media. At the same time, some of us have faced intimidation from the very men in uniform who want to protect Nigeria. Our husbands and fathers have served this country faithfully on the front line, risking their lives in defense of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today, their families are left with fear, uncertainty, and unanswered questions. A respectful appeal to our leaders: we speak today with no anger, but with heavy hearts of wives and children and mothers. We appeal to Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a father and a grandfather, to Her Excellency, the First Lady Oluremi Tinubu, a mother, grandmother, and a revered pastor, as leaders of the nation at this moment in time, to please look upon our situation with compassion, wisdom, courage, and justice. We ask only for what the 1999 Constitution guarantees every Nigerian: that our husbands to be treated as innocent until proven guilty by a competent court of law. The allegation against them must not be used as tool or scapegoat. We want due process, nothing more and nothing less.
We are joined by many of the officers' wives, their family, children of elderly people who have been detained. Some of these elderly people are people who have served this country for over 35 years and have retired. We even hear that there's an Islamic cleric that was also detained alongside many of these officers. In our estimation, from members of the families that we have spoken with, we hear that almost over 100 people have been detained, which is indeed very strange. The people who are in government now should be careful. They may leave government now and somebody will accuse them in the future that they are planning coup. So this is why we are saying that nobody is defending anybody. We are saying that where there is no genuine evidence, if there is coup, present them before a court of law. Lead evidence. Evidence is like smoke. It cannot be hidden. Lead evidence against them. But if there is no evidence, leave these people alone. Release them. Let them go and face their lives.